we are delighted to welcome another strategic partner into Jio, a company that needs no introduction because it is a household name in India and globally, a company that has pioneered the search engine and operating systems that are used across the world. Let me welcome Google to be our strategic partner in Jio Platforms. Today, we have signed a binding partnership and an investment agreement with Google, under which Google will invest 33,737 crores for a 7.7% stake in Jio Platforms. This transaction is subject to regulatory and other customary approvals. With this investment by Google, strategic and financial investors have committed a total of 152,056 crores in the last few months. We have also concluded our JV with BP in our existing fuel retailing business. BP has invested 7,629 crores for their 49% stake in the JV. Cumulatively, we have raised a total of 212,809 crores through our rights issue, the combined investment in Jio Platform, and investment by BP. This is unprecedented in the history of capital markets in India. Indeed, there would be very few parallels globally. This capital raise is significantly in excess of our net debt of 161,035 crores at the end of the financial year 1920. Reliance is now truly a zero net debt company, well ahead of my goal of March 2021. We now have an extremely strong balance sheet that will support all our hyper growth plans for our three businesses, Jio, Retail, and O2C. Our target for capital raise is now complete, and we now look forward to only adding strategic partners who share our vision in each of our current and future businesses. Dear friends, let me start with our first hypergrowth engine, Jio, our digital services initiative. I would like to first share with you the philosophy that animates Jio's current and future initiatives. The digital revolution marks the greatest disruptive transformation in the history of mankind, comparable only to the appearance of human beings with intelligence capability on our planet about 50,000 years ago. It is comparable because man is now beginning to infuse almost limitless intelligence into the world around him. We are today at the initial stages of the evolution of an intelligent planet. Unlike in the past, this evolution will proceed with a revolutionary speed. Our world will change more unrecognizably in just 8 remaining decades of the 21st century than today's world has changed from what it was 20 centuries ago. For the first time in history, mankind has an opportunity to solve big problems inherited from the past. This will create a world of prosperity, beauty, and happiness for all. India must lead this change to create a better world. For this, all our people and all our enterprises have to be enabled and empowered with the necessary technology infrastructure and capabilities. This is Jio's purpose. This is Jio's ambition. Friends, Jio is now the undisputed leader in India with the largest customer base, the largest share of data and voice traffic, and a world-class next-generation broadband network that covers the length and the breadth of our country. As always, we are deeply thankful and appreciative to all our customers for their trust and for giving us the privilege to serve and delight them every single day. This year, 2020, will forever be etched in human consciousness because of COVID-19. Almost overnight, all of us became reliant on digital connectivity to stay connected, to stay healthy, and to stay productive. And I can say with pride that during these past months, Jio has become the digital lifeline for Indians. Despite the huge surge in data traffic, Jio's network has held firm, and we continue to deliver on our promise of being an essential service provider to the nation. Friends, Jio's vision stands on two solid pillars. One is digital connectivity, and the other is digital platforms. We have now fully kick-started all the 5 accelerators of growth of digital connectivity. 1, mobile broadband. Our mobile broadband network is the largest and has delivered 500 crore GB last month. 2, Jio Fiber, our optical fiber-based gigabit home broadband service. We have already connected over 1 million homes on Jio Fiber, and our growth will accelerate as we gear up to connect millions more over the coming months in the post-COVID period. 3, Jio's enterprise broadband service. In combination with powerful cloud solutions, this is enabling Indian enterprises to make rapid strides towards digital transformation and global competitiveness. 4, broadband for small and medium enterprises. Jio's enterprise-grade voice and data services and cloud-based solutions are bringing Indian SMEs from zero connectivity and zero technology to operating with the same efficiency as large connected enterprises. And 5, Jio's narrowband Internet of Things, or NB-IoT service. We use our pan-India 4G network to connect billions of smart sensors with the highest reliability and the lowest cost. Friends, in the next 3 years, I can see a strong path for Jio to connect over 500 million mobile customers, over 1 billion smart sensors, and over 50 million homes and business establishments. And what is perhaps not so well known is that Jio's global scale 4G and fiber network is powered by several core software technologies and components that have been developed by the young Jio engineers right here in India. And this capability and know-how that Jio has developed positions Jio on the cutting edge of another exciting frontier, 5G. Today, friends, I have great pride in announcing that Jio has designed and developed a complete 5G solution from scratch. This will enable us to launch a world-class 5G service in India using 100% homegrown technology and solution. This made in India 5G solution will be ready for trials as soon as 5G spectrum is available and can be ready for field deployment next year. And because of Jio's converged all-IP network architecture, we can easily upgrade our 4G network to 5G. Once Jio's 5G solution is proven at India scale, Jio Platforms would be well positioned to be an exporter of 5G solutions to other telecom operators globally as a complete managed service. I dedicate Jio's 5G solution to our Prime Minister, Shri Narendra Modi's highly motivating vision of Atmanirbhar Bharat. Friends, Jio Platforms is conceived with this vision of developing original, captive intellectual property, using which we can demonstrate the transformative power of technology across multiple industry ecosystems, first in India, and then confidently offering these made in India solutions to the rest of the world. Applications like MyJio and JioSavan have already become household names and are used by hundreds of millions of loyal customers each month. Jio Platforms along with its over 20 startup partners who are now part of our family, has built significant world-class capabilities in several cutting-edge technologies. 1. 4G and 5G technologies. 2. Cloud computing. 3. Devices and operating systems. 4. Big data analytics. 5. Machine learning and artificial intelligence. 6. Virtual and mixed reality. 7. Blockchain and distributed ledger. 8. Natural language understanding. 9. Computer vision. Using these technologies, we can create compelling solutions that span multiple industry verticals and ecosystems like media, financial services, retail and new commerce, education, healthcare, agriculture, smart cities, smart manufacturing, and smart mobility. These are the technologies and the ecosystem solution that hold the power to achieve 360-degree digital transformation of India. Our startup partners have contributed significantly to our strengths across many of these areas, and we are inviting even more startups to join forces with us. Friends, with its 100% owned intellectual property, total solutions approach, and the opportunity to serve a global audience, over the years, Reliance has built deep domain knowledge in most of the industry verticals that are key to the Indian economy. NGO platforms can combine this domain expertise with its technology strengths to create multiple innovative ecosystem solutions and managed services for our country. Each of these solutions, once proven in India, has the potential to be a global solution that can be used to serve the rest of the world. I am setting a goal for Jio Platforms to pursue this global opportunity and to create a significant source of revenue from both the domestic and the global markets. I believe that the time has come for a truly global digital product and services company to emerge from India and to be counted among the best in the world. Friends, at this point, let me invite Isha, Akash, and Kiran onto our virtual stage to demonstrate a few of the magical solutions that Jio has been working on recently.
Good afternoon to our Reliance family. We're back this year to showcase all the work we've done at Jio in the past 1 year. This time around, there is one change in the setup. The demos are being done truly digitally. Akash, Kiran, and I are very excited to share the progress of everything that is being done, keeping in mind one objective: making India a truly digital society.
And the first and foremost element of a digital society is connecting everything, everyone, everywhere with the best quality service at the most affordable price globally. Ladies and gentlemen, we are humbled and excited to present Jio's latest offerings.
Without further ado, allow us to take you through a glimpse of the new Reliance, a Reliance that is built on the back of technology to truly reflect Naya India Ka Naya Josh.
Last year, we introduced Jio Fiber and the Jio set-top box. Basis learnings from our beta program, we've enhanced the Jio set-top box. Let me straight away take you through the first new feature. The Jio set-top box was launched with the best content from the top OTT providers in the world and has already become very successful with engagement times at extraordinary levels. Through feedback, we learned that one of the challenges that our users faced was to discover their favorite content from the various applications that we had provided. This gave birth to Jio TV Plus, where we have aggregated all the content from over 12 leading global OTT players. Let us show you Jio TV Plus. This is the home screen of Jio TV Plus, with all the content from Netflix, Amazon Prime, Disney Plus Hotstar, Voot, Sony Live, ZEE5, Jio Cinema, Jio Saavn, YouTube, and many others under one roof. We had to make discovery a very easy feature. So in addition to traditional search, we integrated voice search that works on genres, favorite actors, directors, producers, and mood. Let us go through an example. I am going to voice search Ranbir Kapoor. As you see, the search results display RK movies, videos, songs, music videos, and trailers from every app integrated into one screen. Now coming to the second learning, we realized that all of these 12 apps require different login IDs, making the process cumbersome. To make it seamless and simple, we introduced a single click to play any content for our users without needing a separate login. I am back on the home screen of JioTV Plus and going to play Mission Mangal with Disney Plus Hotstar. We believe you can now enjoy the best large screen content experience through JioTV Plus. Moving on, for large screen, TV channels have always played an important role. We have the majority of TV channels integrated within JioTV Plus. For decades, this content has been largely broadcast dependent without any interactivity. With JioFiber, we have reimagined this experience and brought interactivity to TV. Let me show you how. Let's open Colors. On TV channels, you can participate in a poll to vote for your favorite participant on a TV show like Bigg Boss with just one click on your Jio remote. On the live stream, we can give you results in real time, compare them with everyone that has participated in that poll across India. Similarly, on news channels, sports programs, music contests, you will have various types of interactivity available using your Jio remote. This is just one of many engaging use cases. We believe that interactivity on the TV or two-way communication is the future of consumption. Most TV sets do not have access to internet applications. Through the Jio App Store on the set-top box, now you can access the applications across multiple genres such as entertainment, education, health, cooking, yoga, gaming, religion, and many more. Jio App Store is home to the leading app developers. Through Jio Developers Program, any app developer can develop, launch, and monetize their apps. For developers who wish to partner with Jio, please visit developer.jio.com for details. With Jio Set-top Box and JioTV Plus, we have made sure that there's enough entertainment and experiences for everyone in the family. Now, for our exciting next demo, I would like to invite Kiran onto the screen.
Thank you, Akash. JioFiber has been enabling world-class connectivity at home with collaboration and entertainment solutions for everyone. We went a step further this year to make sure that these digital interactions felt even more real, where people can not only see each other face to face, but also feel the presence of the other person in the same room, despite being physically away. So let me show you our latest innovation, the Jio Glass. Jio Glass comes with a convenient cable that you can attach to your phone and thus connect to the internet. The Jio Glass weighs only 75 grams and is at the cutting edge of technology that provides the best-in-class mixed reality services to give you a truly meaningful and immersive experience. We have paid special attention to the graphics so that the Jio Glass users get the highest class visual experience. And on the audio front, we have pioneered a spatial and personalized audio system without having any accessories attached. This audio system supports all the standard audio formats. Let me now deep dive into Jio Glass's services. Jio Glass already supports more than 25 applications. In times of COVID-19, our way of working and workspace has now completely changed, and digital collaboration has seen an exponential growth. We can now completely reimagine this in the mixed reality space. With Jio Glass, you could be sitting at home and join a meeting in your office with your colleagues in 3 dimensions. Let me show you how this works with a holographic video call with Akash and Isha. Hello Jio, please call Akash and Isha.
Hey Kiran.
Hey there, how are you Akash? I have Akash in the form of a 3D avatar and it feels like he's standing in front of me.
Hi, Kiran.
Hi, Isha. And Isha has joined us in a 2D video call format from her home. GeoGlass allows smooth collaboration across devices and platforms to ensure we stay connected, no matter where we are. And while you're chatting with your colleagues, you can also share presentations that you will be able to view and present on a large virtual screen in any virtual environment you want with the help of GeoGlass. Not only that, you can also have design discussions and deliberations by sharing 3D assets and holograms with your colleagues. The COVID-19 pandemic has prompted one of the most important applications in the immersive space, which is education. GeoGlass is making teachers and students come together in 3D virtual rooms and conduct holographic classes through our Geo Mixed Reality Cloud in real time. We can literally travel to the bylanes of Agra and immerse ourselves in the wonderful architecture of the Taj Mahal, or the pyramids of Giza in Egypt, or the Colosseum in Rome. With GeoGlass, the traditional way of learning geography will now be history. Okay, I need to get back to the AGM, so I'll see you guys later.
Bye, guys.
Bye. And now over to you, Isha.
Thank you, Kiran. That sounds fantastic. Digital technology has impacted our lives in ways we had not imagined before. Now, let me take you through our next demo. Though we're actually in that demo already, because I'm talking about GeoMeet. GeoMeet is India's most secure and cost-effective video conferencing platform. It's way more than just a collaboration platform. GeoMeet is designed to address real-life scenarios and solve some of the key challenges of our time. While GeoMeet can be effectively used for everything from virtual hangouts to voting sessions, I would like to show you two important use cases today. The first use case is education. With GeoMeet, you can conduct daily online assemblies for your entire school or hold full-day sessions, as there is no limit on the number of students or the call duration. At Geo, we're committed to education in a big way, not just through GeoMeet, but also through our education platform, Imbibe. And that brings me to the second and harder problem to solve in education, the shortage of quality teachers. In India today, nearly 30 to 80% of teacher posts are vacant, and a vast number of teachers are untrained. So how do we supplement teacher quality? How can online classes become better than offline classes? Our Geo education platform, Imbibe, takes these challenges head-on with three foundational building blocks. First, unprecedented personalization. Using this powerful knowledge graph, every child can go back to any school year or subject and fix any learning weakness from the past. Second, incredible content. We're assembling some of the world's best content as well as the most comprehensive question bank to help students through adaptive learning. Our technology processes every wonder or confusion a child experiences as an input to create better learning experiences. And finally, teacher empowerment, enabling teachers and our government to reach more students with higher quality education, reliable delivery, and a state-of-the-art platform, where the touch of a button can set personalized homework or deliver a high-quality test or even detect and address motivational issues. We're super excited about the future being built right now, a world where no child is left behind. Now let me talk about the second use case of GeoMeet, healthcare. The COVID-19 pandemic has brought about a fundamental shift in perspectives about health. We're seeing a migration from physical healthcare systems to digital platforms. Once again, at Reliance and at Geo, we're committed to digital healthcare in a big way, and it comprises of three core pillars. First, our strong Geo 4G mobile network and Geo Fiber broadband provides the connectivity required for high-quality video calls. Second, our GeoMeet platform enables seamless video consultations between patients and doctors. And third, our Geo Health Hub platform provides end-to-end healthcare services. Let's hear from Dr. Tarang, who is at the forefront of our fight against COVID-19.
Jio has been a boon as a healthcare platform, enabling our treatment for our COVID and non-COVID patients. We have delivered more than 1,500 video consultations over a span of 4 weeks with a WOW patient experience index of more than 93%. It has also supported us immensely to address the psychological needs of our more than 1,000 patients and staff at Reliance, which was most critical during this time. In all, it has anchored our entire healthcare delivery system and enabled us to provide a holistic care to all our patients.
With our health platform, we're integrating the overall healthcare ecosystem to enable people to book online consultations, securely store and share health records, book lab tests, and avail various other healthcare services. These are challenging times, and at Jio, we're committed to health and the well-being of every Indian. So please do make use of these platforms and take care of yourselves and your loved ones. Over to you, Akash.
4 years ago, we launched Jio with a pan-India all 4G network. Today, we are proud to announce the imminent Jio 5G network. 5G technology designed and made in India is an invention that will have unprecedented impact on our economy and reinforce India's leadership in technology globally. I'm proud to share that the entire 5G stack has been built in-house by Jio employees and is ready to roll out as soon as spectrum is made available. With 5G, you can connect everything, everyone, everywhere, which means you can do everything you saw in the earlier demos and more. The use cases that were built to work in a fixed location like home or office, now with 5G will work remotely wherever you go. Let me show you the consumer applications of Jio's 5G stack through a video. Jio's Made in India 5G technology is all set to transform the lives of citizens, society, and businesses. 5G will save lives on our roads with autonomous vehicles by using sensors that detect imminent danger and deploy safety bags along with auto braking. Farmers are the pillar of strength for the economy and society. 5G connected drones will enable a digitized agricultural ecosystem and help farmers enhance their crop, produce, and farming income. Mixed reality over 5G will help in upskilling our large manufacturing workforce, creating more jobs and boosting the engines of growth for the Indian economy. Jio's 5G will ensure that quality healthcare reaches every Indian home through remote healthcare services. Connected medical devices will create a digital health blueprint of every individual and will help proactive medical care for all Indians. Last but not the least, blazing fast internet speeds on mobile will be delivered on 5G, redefining the digital lifestyle of customers.
Thank you, Akash. And now, let's move on to our last and final demo, our new commerce platform, JioMart. Today, more than ever before, we need a confluence of online and offline, of technology and humanity, when it comes to day-to-day deliveries, especially the supplies of essentials. How can we empower our neighborhood kirana stores, including small merchants, and help them not only survive, but also thrive? How can we provide value, comfort, and convenience to customers within the norms of safety? The answer to this is JioMart. With inclusion at the heart of our Reliance ethos, JioMart is built upon two fundamental pillars. One, a powerful omni-channel tech platform that will unite the triad of customers, kiranas, and producers. Two, a widespread physical network of Reliance Retail that takes the benefit of new commerce to every nook and corner of the country. In response to the COVID pandemic, where customers are facing problems of delayed delivery, product unavailability, and restricted movement, we rose to the occasion to serve customer needs for essentials and launched JioMart's beta version in 200 cities across India. JioMart has unique and delightful propositions for both kiranas and customers. Let's talk about kirana delight first. First, JioMart is built to digitally enable, empower, and engage Kiranas. Kiranas will stay connected and transact with their customers on our platform, facilitated by a multifunctional POS. As we say, customer aapka, support hamara. Second, with JioMart, Kirana stores will no longer be held back by limited product range, space, or delivery challenges. By addressing these issues, the partnership with us can potentially help them grow their business and their earnings. Thirdly, a unique solution that JioMart offers is to convert the Kirana's existing stores in less than 48 hours into refreshed self-service stores, thereby transforming their customer experience completely. We've successfully piloted this Kirana transformation, and those who have opted for this have been positively surprised. Let's see how.
Thanks to JioMart, he has made a new beginning today. His modernized store is now ready to compete with the best. He looks forward to delighting his customers by fulfilling 100% of their grocery needs from his store and has assured and consistent supplies.
Since its launch, JioMart has become a trusted partner of supplies to the Kirana stores. Even during the lockdown, when most sources of supplies were disrupted, JioMart continued to serve our Kirana partners so that they in turn could serve their customers. It has been very heartening to see this partnership come to life and flourish, especially in this unprecedented time of need. Instead of me talking further, let's hear directly from them.
JioMart ने इस लॉकडाउन में सबसे अच्छी सर्विस दिया है। दूसरी दुकानों पे जो सामान नहीं मिल पा रहा है वो हमारी दुकान पे मिल रहा है।
जियो पॉज ने हमारा 80% काम कम कर दिया गया है। अभी सिर्फ एक बटन दबाते ही हमारा सारा काम हो जाता है।
कस्टमर्स के लिए ऑफर्स, तो कस्टमर्स भी ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा एक्साइटेड है वो प्रोडक्ट्स खरीदने के लिए।
JioMart ने ये सबसे अच्छा धान्य खरीद के हमारे दुकान के सामने मंडी खड़ा कर दिया।
अब ये बोल देंगे कि देश की अपनी दुकान है, ये देश की बड़ी दुकान हो जाएगी।
And now, coming to the second segment, let me share some of our unique offerings for customer delight as well. First, trusted supplies including fresh produce delivered right at your doorstep from your favorite neighborhood stores. Second, great value and attractive prices. And third, an easy-to-use platform that offers an intuitive experience with voice integration in multiple languages. And that's not all. As an introductory offer, you will receive a complimentary COVID Essential Kit with your first order placed on JioMart. Before we conclude, on behalf of the entire team at JioMart, I want to thank you for every single order of yours. It has given us an opportunity to learn and course correct and serve you better. Thank you once again, and thank you for your faith in us. Shop safe and stay safe. Ladies and gentlemen, that brings us to the end of our demo. We hope you enjoyed it as much as we did putting it together for you.
We promise you, on behalf of the entire Jio team and with inputs from our global technology partners, we will develop cutting-edge technology to ensure that India and Indians remain ahead in innovation. Thank you very much. Now, let me invite our chairman back onto the screen.
Thank you, Isha, Akash, and Kiran, for that sampling of the exciting solutions that Jio is developing.